Yeah, all right. Yeah, hey, I need to switch off my. Yeah, all right. Now this is jacuzzi, guys. Jacuzzi. I soaked myself in here. All right, this is my jacuzzi. Let me switch it off. So you press here. Now I stopped it. All right, I stopped it. This is the jacuzzi, guys. You know, as you can see, these are the foam. It's a foam. You know, that's where, you know, sometimes, guys, I always tell South Africans, I said, you know what, you guys must stop this thing of wasting your money. You know, there are people who are buying whiskey for 60,000 rand. Yeah, whiskey. Imagine a bottle of whiskey. Imagine a whiskey bottle of whiskey, 60,000 rand. Eh? Instead of you taking your money and coming here and enjoy yourself. Huh? Eh? Palatina, we live like white people. Huh? It's like as if we are white people. Can you know we are not? We are black people like you. Black South African people like you. Eh? See, my jacuzzi. Eh? This is where I was taking my, you know, I was relaxed, you know. So, as I was telling you guys, South Africans, we must learn to travel. We must travel, guys. We must travel. The ship is going, guys. Now we've left Valencia in Spain. We've left Valencia in Spain. We are going to France. Tomorrow we'll be arriving in France, in Marseille. All right. I remember Marseille is where I got married, because me and my wife got married on a cruise ship. 2013 when we got married, it was on a cruise ship, but on the second largest cruise ship of the world. It's called, the cruise ship is called Norwegian Epic. You can search on YouTube. Just search for Norwegian Epic. You'll see it there. Right. So the cruise actually left at about what time was it? I think 5. Yeah, we left at 5 o'clock. We are now cruising the whole night. It's now 25 past 5 our time here. I'm not sure what time is it in South Africa, but our time here. So we'll be arriving in Marseille, in France tomorrow in the morning. So like I said to you guys, we must travel, guys. Just take your money. It's not expensive to come here. You spend something like, you know, 12,000 rand per person. Per person. For 7 days. You understand? You eat. Everything is included. Accommodation.